Good day everyone, I am Mrs. Realin S. Mateo, Master Teacher 1 of La Paz Elementary School. I am one of those successful participants of the various training programs and workshops at Villasis Municipal Library. We are thankful for the initiatives of our municipal library because, aside from the free training programs, those were very timely and relevant too. At masasabi ko na dekalidad dahil ang kanilang mga speakers ay dekalibre din. Kaya napakarami kong napulot na ideas, tips sa kanilang mga presentations. In this era, we need to provide engaging, comprehensive, and informative learning materials to our learners. When I learned about the Bloom software, I was able to organize my thoughts and ideas of making them into learning material na alam kong mai-enjoy at matututo ang mga learners na gagamit sa mga ito. The Adobe Photoshop training has helped me unleash the artistic side of me. Using the tool na paglalaruan ko yung mga design na gusto ko hanggang sa makuha ko na yung gusto kong output. Kung noon nung maasa ako sa ibang mga layout artist, ngayon ako na mismo ang gumagawa ng mga documents ko. Through these training programs with fellow educators, mas naging closer kami at may nabuong bagong friendship. Kumbaga may nabuong networking and sharing of ideas and knowledge, skills after the training na nandoon pa rin hanggang ngayon. So 3 years from now, I see myself continue to grow personally and professionally and may be promoted to Master Teacher 2 with God's provision. I also envision to leave a long-lasting impact with my fellow educators and learners through sharing of my knowledge and skills with them.